welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a very basic recipe of banana pancake, which I think any beginner can also try, get hands on. Generally I think cooking is something that is like you can say it is forced on you through circumstances, or it can be your passion. But either way, the first time you enter the kitchen, I feel it's like entering a dark alley. That has been my experience. When I got married and first time I entered the kitchen, I felt it was like that. Though I knew basic cooking, but still when I was thrown into the kitchen all by myself, I was all at sea. It's the same like when you enter a dark alley, your senses freeze and you don't know where you're going or what to expect or what you're supposed to do. The same thing happens in the kitchen when you enter first time and you're all by yourself. So like I would like to say, as you get used to the darkness, you start seeing things clearer. The same way with practice in the kitchen, you start bettering yourself. This is a very basic recipe which anybody can try, and I'm sure it will come out good. So do try it. There's a quote I want to share of Bob Proctor. It says, "Faith and fear both demand that we believe the unseen, and choices are what we choose." So I would say keep faith in yourself and take the first step. At least nowadays YouTube and other channels are there where you can watch and do your recipes. Way back when I got married, there was nothing, not even a telephone in the house to call my mom and find out what recipe or how do I go about this step. So I would request all of you to try this, whoever is a beginner, and let me know how it comes out.
I'm weak under your grasp, and my heart it won't last.